I want you to find that faith and peace.
In želel bi si, da bi našli to vero in mir.
Tonight,
In v tem večeru
I'd love to pray for Slovenia, if you would allow me,
bi si želel moliti za Slovenijo, seveda, če mi dovolite,
to pray for Ljubljana,
da molim za Ljubljano,
for all the people living here.
za vse ljudi, ki tukaj prebivajo.
I want to pray for you.
Ali bi želel moliti za vas?
Don't worry, I'm not going to lay hands on you.
Brez skrbi, ne bom polagal rok na vas,
But I want to pray with you.
ampak želel bi si moliti skupaj z vami.
Some of you can walk out of here the same you came in.
Nekateri izmed vas lahko odidete od tod prav taki, kakršni ste prišli.
I can't promise you that your life's going to get easier,
Ne morem vam obljubiti, da bo vaše življenje od sedaj naprej lažje,
but now God can be with you.
ampak sedaj je Bog lahko z vami
And you pray.
in takrat lahko molite.
You say, God, what do you want me to do?
In rečete, Bog, kaj pa ti želiš, da storim?
Teach me from your word.
Uči me iz svoje besede,
Give me faith.
daj mi vero,
Give me peace.
daj mi mir.
I don't want to do this on my own anymore.
Tega ne želim več početi sam.
If that's you, I want to give you an opportunity to say that to him.
In če si to ti, potem bi ti želel dati priložnost, da mu to poveš.
When you go home,
Ko boš odhajal domov,
God's there.
Bog je tam.
When you wake up in the morning,
Ko se zjutraj zbudiš,
God's there.
Bog je tam.
When you're at work,
Ko greš v službo,
God's there.
Bog je tam.
When you're going through a bad time,
Ko greš skozi težke čase,
God's there.
Bog je tam.
On a good day,
In v dobrih dneh
God's there.
je tudi Bog tam.
Don't just ask him for things and thank him for things.
Ne ga samo prositi za stvari in se mu zahvaljevati.
He's my friend.
On je moj prijatelj
He wants to be your friend.
in želi si biti tudi vaš prijatelj.
I'm rich.
Jaz sem bogat,
So rich.
tako zelo bogat,
So rich.
tako zelo bogat.
Not because of money,
Ne zaradi denarja,
but because I know him.
ampak zaradi tega, ker poznam njega.
Tonight,
In v tem večeru
you can get to know him.
tudi vi lahko spoznate njega.
It's not just a prayer and that's it,
To ni samo neka molitev in to je to,
but it's a journey,
ampak to je potovanje,
one day at a time.
dan za dnem.
But the first step
Ampak prvi korak
is saying, God,
je, ko rečeš, Bog,
forgive me of my sins.
odpusti mi za moje grehe.
I believe, God, that you love the world so much
Verjamem, Bog, da tako ljubiš svet,
that you sent your son, Jesus Christ, to die on the cross.
da si poslal svojega sina Jezusa Kristusa, da
I
je
wanna
umrl
be-
na križu.
I want to believe in you.
Želim si verjeti vate,
I want to know you.
želim si te spoznati
So I'd like to pray right now.
in zato bi želel moliti.
First for your nation.
Najprej za vaš narod.